Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you my full 1-400 collection and 1-200 collection. I've counted 33 1-400 aircraft, and I've counted 3 1-200 aircraft. So let's begin. So let's begin, everybody. Starting with Delta Connection CRJ 700, Delta 717 without eyebrow windows, Delta 717 with eyebrow windows, Delta MD88, Delta A319, Delta 737-700, Delta A321neo in the 100 years livery, Delta 757-200, Delta 777-200LR. Now we move on to American Eagle Q100 in the Piedmont Heritage livery, American Eagle E145, American Eagle E175, American A319, American 737 MAX 8, American A321neo. Now we move on to United 737-700, United 737-800 in the old livery, United 737-800 in the Star Wars livery, United 787-8. Now we move to Southwest 737-800 in the Freedom 1 livery, Southwest 737 MAX 8, Southwest 737 MAX 8 in the Amua 1 livery. Now we move to JetBlue A320 in the Bubbles livery, JetBlue A320 in the Blue Skies livery, JetBlue A320 in the 100 livery, JetBlue A320 in the Peacock livery, JetBlue A320 in the Barcode livery. Now we move to Spirit A319, Spirit A320neo. Now we move on to the other airlines: Alaska E175, Breeze A220-300, Aer Lingus A321neo, and finally for the 1-400, UPS 767-300. Now we move on to the 1-200 aircraft: Delta MD88 in the older livery, American A321 in the PSA Heritage livery, and finally Frontier A321. Yeah, so that's my entire collection for 2025, and there should be one next year on the 26th as well. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.